Rongchingrum, Longleaji branch organized Inter-LP School Literary Meet at Loring Langso LP School on 5th November. First ever Inter-Nilip Singing Competition 2022 audition takes place at Chokiola Open Stage on 5th November. 49 quintals of dried Burmese supari seized at Khatkhati on 5th November. Nangli kitun gedang thekma lapen ning hangma jongsi thek lapen ning hang pulote nangli tumaphan isi bilta kimi Karbi Artist Forum pen ke patir pipon Karbi anglong along ke cheng siapong Master Chef Challenge along chepati don igra nangli ke thegason chepaklang don itha bangso ka chepati along soarlu aphanchot lapukali bonta sopin sotom anta chepati don me Men ka chethabji aphan KAEC canteen lapen Karbi Artist Forum asahem KAEC aton riadung along humri dam ignon Kangwai mati auditioner ni lake phaikuni ni phai ingkoi surihini ra ingkoi rahini lapen adima bangke Dipu Club Angton pen kachini ji aphan 8638086460 6002090530 8812011572 Kalite 9101592824 along Humri Ignon. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to KAL Live English Prime Time. Now the news and details. On 5th of November, Karbi Students Association Rongchingrum Longleaji branch initiated an inter-school literary competition for lower primary schools at Loring Langso LP School Rongchingrum under Dipu Head Branch. With a vision to uplift the educational atmosphere at Rongchingrum region and to set up the competitive mindset among the students, KSA Rongchingrum Longleaji branch came forward with an idea to provide a platform to the young, energetic and dynamic students of lower primary to express out their talents and skill as well as to test their knowledge. Hence, on 5th of November, inter-school literary competition for lower primary schools was organized by KSA Rongchingrum Longleaji branch under the supervision of KSA Dipu Head Branch. It was informed that as many as 5 competitions were organized into different categories as per the level of their class standards. Drawing and spelling bee competition was organized for class 1 to 3 level category. Extempore speech competition was organized for class 4 level category and essay writing competition for class 5 level category. Drawing competition and quiz competition was categorized for class 4 and 5 in one group. More than 5 schools had sent their delegation to take part in the inter-school literary event. As many as 150 children had attended the literary event. Ang Sing Timung, president of Karbi Students Association, while addressing his speech during the prize distribution ceremony, spoke about the role of Karbi Students Association in bringing the quality education at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. Although the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had launched a Quality Education Awareness Campaign Mission 2025 in collaboration with all the social and students organization of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. What they had experienced and felt during the awareness campaign was not enough. Just inspecting the school infrastructures, attendance of teachers, number of enrollments of the students was not enough. Hence, Karbi Students Association had adopted a resolution to conduct as many inter-school literary competitions as they can to make the students highly aware about education and showcase their talents and skills they have.
It needs some extra platform, especially for the students, to make them very much aware and to make them to produce the talent. That's why the Karbi Student Association has taken a resolution to conduct the inter-school competition all around Karbi Anglong.
The winners of all the category in different competitions were awarded with a trophy and certificate of merits at the prize distribution ceremony. Thang Sing Timung, President KSA CEC, Raju Ingti, AGS KSA CEC, George Timung, Assistant Debating Secretary KSA CEC, Litong Timung, President Dipu Regional Committee, Nelson Timung, President Dipu Head Branch, Headmaster, Headmistress, teachers, parents and guardians of the children attended the event and made it a great success. News Desk report for KAL Live. On 5th of November, with over 14 contestants, Karbi Artist Forum, Nilip Province started the audition round for the first ever Inter-Nilip Singing Competition 2022 at Chokiola Open Stage under Nilip constituency. With a vision to empower the music enthusiasts of Nilip constituency, Karbi Artist Forum, Nilip Province organized the audition round of first ever Inter-Nilip Singing Competition 2022 at Chokela Open Stage on 5th November. One of the judges, while speaking to us, informed that more than 14 participants had auditioned at Chokela Open Stage. The next audition would take place at Koilamati Community Hall on 7th of November. All the participants were very talented and hence many promising singers would turn up in the days to come.
So program nilitum kepatil people na thege lalo dagatum nilibhawards tame lun kilun ase jumisen tumdu lasi alangatum kachepaklangi a platform ave lasi nilitum a committee pen mathapon si ini tarik ko abangke first audition nilitum pangcheng ponlo.
The results were not declared yet, and the judges of the first ever Inter-Nilip Singing Competition 2022 at Chokela Open Stage were Nika Tokbepi, Rupjilin Bepi, and Matthew Rongpi. The selected participants for the next round of first ever Inter-Nilip Singing Competition 2022 would be declared right after the conclusion of audition round at Daegru Mathoy on 7th November. Civilians of Nilip constituency lauds the organizer, Karbi Artist Forum, Nilip Province, for providing such platforms to showcase their talents.
So akung sai along nilitum kang sai ponlong along ke ning arong pik ning sampik atheke alang hitum jumesen la poson alun mithang alam alun positami laben prejam alun alam tamin nilitum phan parju ponlong nilitum la poson si ing sai ponlong lo kang sai pona teng pulutang te alang litum abang putin sitami alang litum aprang anathu kengkam kachijor ponlong bom je phat ning the pondo.
Sanjay Cross report from Chokela for Karbi English Live. On 5th of November, Khatkati police seized as many as 49 quintals of dried Burmese supari at Khatkati. Acting upon the intel output from its sources, Khatkati police intensified its checking along National Highway 39 on 5th of November, and upon suspicion, 12-wheeler truck bearing registration number HR69C0579 was intercepted. The truck was searched rigorously and discovered 49 quintals of dried Burmese supari. It was informed that the truck started its journey from Manipur and was on its way to deliver the contrabands to its destined location. Raju Dwara, OC of Khatkati Police Station, while speaking to us, informed that the driver of the truck, identified as Bijoy from Haryana, was arrested in connection to this case and was taken into custody for interrogation. Anantarang's report from Bakajan for Karbi English Live. Thank you for watching Karbi English Live. Have a great day.